Today I will uh, read some of the good points which I learned from the biography of Leonardo da Vinci, which is written by Walter Isaacson. Steve Jobs climaxed his product launches with an image of street sign showing the intersection of the liberal arts and technology. Leonardo was his hero. He saw beauty in both art and engineering, Jobs said, and his ability to combine them was what made him a genius. My starting point for this book was not Leonardo's art pieces, but his notebooks. His mind, I think, is best revealed in the more than 7,200 pages of his notes and scribbles that survive to this day. Papers turn out to be super. Information storage technology is still readable after 500 years, which our own to its likely won't be. All of Leonardo's paintings are psychological and all give vent to his desire to portray emotions. Most notably, Leonardo was known for his willingness to share his blessings. He was so generous that he sheltered and fed all his friends, rich or poor, according to the Vasari and another biographer. He was not motivated by wealth or material possessions. In his notebooks, he hated men who desire nothing but material riches and are absolutely devoid of the desire for wisdom, which is the sustenance and truly dependable wealth of the mind. Leonardo enjoyed being surrounded by friends, companions, students, assistants, fellow courtiers, and thinkers. In his notebook, we found scores of people with whom he wanted to discuss his ideas.